Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Learning. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the we could not sign in you to into the Xbox Live Windows error code for 0x89235107. If you are getting this error, simply few methods try to this error fix it now. Okay, before you are begin, like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. Then first method, then restart. So for that, go to the start menu, click on power button, select the restart button, click it to restart your system. Then go to the next method, then reset Xbox. So go to the settings, open it, then click on apps, then click on it, install apps, then search, click on the search apps, then type Xbox, then three dot click here, then select the advanced, then scroll down, find repair button, then click on the repair button, then wait here. It is this app is not working right. We can try to repair it. So once it done, then close it. Then go to the next method, check Microsoft account. So go to the start menu, then click on the Microsoft Store, check it the your profile. Is add or not check it. It is already added sign in. So once it done, close it. Then go to the start menu, click on the restart button, click here to restart your system. Then go to the next method, services. So go to the search bar, then type in services, click to open it, then scroll down, go to the last, then selected that Xbox Auxiliary Management Service, then right click on the properties. If you have new get the new windows, then service status is stopped. So just to click on the start button, then automatically change it running, then hit the apply and hit the OK button, click here to close it. Then go to the next service for Xbox Live Manager, then selected that, then click on the properties, then again click on the start button, click on the start button. After that, service status is running, change it, then hit the apply, again hit the OK, then changes for Xbox Live Network service, then after that, once it done all, then close it. Then go to the next method, then gaming service repair. So go to the your browser, type that gaming service repair, then go to the first website, click on it, then scroll down, then click on the download version, click the download the gaming service repair tool for PC, click on to download and install, then come to the desktop page, then select the game file, then right click, open, click here to run. Yes, click here confirmation. It is few minutes, several times take it, so wait here. This command promote finished, then only close it. Okay, updating the Xbox app, and I will skip it, but you did not skip it. It is finished, then only come to back. After that, your problem fix it now. Finally restart your system, your problem fix it. I hope to this video helpful for you. Like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel. This method working or not working, comment section go to comment.